Side panels. Locate the face of the side panels that have the least amount of holes. With a hammer, put the insert nuts into the appropriate holes. Flip the panels over and attach the brackets of the lifting system to the panel. You will have to do this step for the left panel and the right panel. Start with the flat washers and screws that go into the insert nuts. Continue with the small hex head screws. You will need the Allen key provided in your hardware kit. Repeat the same procedure for the other panel. With a hammer, add the 4 adjustable legs to the base of the side panel.